Hello once again, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you my another exercise, and let's do this planks. Planks is already a whole body exercise, guys. All we need to do na paulit-ulitin lang kami. Lahat ng exercise, guys, kapag saglit mo lang gawin, wala talagang results na makikita. Kaya, dapat paulit-ulitin. Pwede kang isang ganito lang, planks na elbow planks lang, hindi ka na kailangan gumalaw-galaw. Pwede rin. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. At tingnan ko kung makaka-content ako mamaya. Thank you so much, and please follow me. For now,